Well, today's Bull's Dick. Big meeting with the bigwigs. And then it's just a friggin' shit show. Quit. What happened? Jesus fuck. That's a fucking enough out of you. Got a little bit of the package, boys. Pug life. One pug life. One pug up a calm. One pug up a calm. Decent. It's a suckler mug. It's a mug for suckling. It says in cut some peony on it. Kootenai Custom Creations and Vinyl Designs. Decent, man. It's like an insulation cup with the clear non-smut factor, so you can see if fucking it smuts or not, eh? Decent. Did the whole vinyl decking behind the stovepipe there? Crazy. How you did that? Do not soak, do not drop. That feels class as frig, eh? Oh, decent. Then we got one from Big Dog Leather. Should have probably let the old lady open this one. When tomorrow starts without me, don't think we're far apart. For every time you think of me, I'm right inside your heart.
You get today? Oh, that's nice.
From Big Dog Leather there. I'll put that right there for the old lady. Put mine in the kitchen. Do not soak. Do not soak, eh? Decent. Much obliged, boys. Oh, found another raccoon today that's got this virus thing, and they want to like hang out in the middle of the road and stuff. And I called the friggin' stovepipes, but they get like 5 or 6 calls about them a day, and it costs $25 to euthanize them, and then they gotta like burn them because they can't bury them because of the virus they have or something. So very much sad heart for that little critter. Oh, it has a ladder. Almost missed the ladder. Chris and Tiff, I made this in memory of Abby. She was a great pup, and you guys gave her a great life. Big Dog. Thanks, buddy. Fucking playing trap to relentless. Get up under there, Dickie, with the fucking hydraulics and stuff. You fucking sagging big time. She's gonna any second it could blow and squid you. The fucking lines could give out and just squid you. Oh, let's see if the old welder cord will reach out in the yard there, eh? We'll do our first fucking old welding project here with the old new welder. With the old Nuda. With the old Nuda.
Straight on the back.
Fuck. Ooh, that's a little warm. Oh, that should be stuck on there now. Good fucking Lord.
Good job.
Much more better.
Mm-hmm. No wiggle, wiggle.
No squishy dicky.
No, don't want that.
Maybe a little bit, not too bad.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I bought this welder for.
Nice.
Hopefully at least a little bit of it stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch the other side go.
You bestn't. Just got in her. Did you have a big bumfuck sesh today?
Yeah, pretty much.
That's awesome. You fucking love bumfucking. Hey? Anyways, almost fucked dump truck off the stand and ended up breaking it, so got to use the old Dubertsky. Sissy! And the cords reached. Didn't have to rig up the generator. I have a generator cord too, but I think I changed it for something. Or lost it or stole it or something. Something happened to it and I don't have it anymore. But used to be able to just plug the friggin' welder right into the generator and friggin' off to the stovepipes. But all I got left is the good ones now, so we'll be picking and prodding and getting all the good bits off of them relentless, and then I can pretty much go puck myself. But anyways, we're supposed to be looking at some better weathers friggin' coming up here shortly, so hopefully that dries up the yard a little bit. Holy suffering. Just makes it a pain in the cock and get rid of some of that mud, get down some different type of the aggregates possibly. Who knows, maybe just scraping the mud off will help, because there is like a solid layer underneath. But anyways, boys, friggin' preachatory valve and the Patreomics, get a couple little extras floating around in there every once in a while. It's not too much, just a little bit. But appreciate it. So I'm terrible. If you wouldn't mind checking out the Patreomics, you get the fucking early bitches, Sunday fun days, name up the chooch, gritties, and fucking little tidbits here and there. You look kind. But anyways, boys, appreciate you watching. How to figure fudge on that like button. A couple bitches from here in the week, but there you go. Another dick pub and done. I'm out.
Don't let the watchers get you.